Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, class, tell me how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday. And which day today? 24th of December 2020. And what is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day and it's your English period. Okay class, let's start our day with ABC song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Okay, start phonics. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F for fish, for fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H for hen, hen. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pear, pear. Q is for question, question. R is for rain, rain. S for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. Okay class, let's revise the letters. Okay class, look at the board and tell me which letter is this? Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. A says A. A says A. A give the sound of A. And what comes after A? B. Capital B and small b. B says B. B says B. B give the sound of B. B give the sound of B. And what comes after B? C. Capital C and small c. Capital C and small c. C says K. C says K. C says K. C give the sound of K. C give the sound of K. What comes after C? G. Capital D and small d. Capital G and small d. D says D. D says D. D says D. D give the sound of D. D give the sound of D. What comes after D? E. Capital E and small e. Capital E and small e. E says E. E says E. E says E. E give the sound of E. E give the sound of E. What comes after E? F. Capital F and small f. Capital F and small f. Capital F and small f. F give the sound of F. F give the sound of F. What comes after F? G. Capital G and small g. Capital G and small g. G give the sound of G. G give the sound of G. G give the sound of G. What comes after G? H. Capital H and small h. Capital H and small h. Capital H and small h. H says H. It says her. It says her. What comes after H? I. Capital I and small I. Capital I and small I. Capital I and small I. I says E. I give the sound of E. I give the sound of E. What comes after I? Capital J and small j. Capital J and small j. Capital J and small j. J give the sound of J. J give the sound of J. What comes after J? K. Capital K and small k. Capital K and small k. K give the sound of K. K give the sound of K. K give the sound of K. What comes after K? L. Capital L and small l. Capital L and small l. L says la. L says la. What comes after L? M. Capital M and small m. M says m. M says m. M says m. What comes after M? N. Capital N and small n. Capital N and small n. N says na. N says na. And give the sound of na. What comes after N? O. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. O says O. O says O. What comes after O? P. Capital P and small p. Capital P and small p. P says P. P says P. P says P. What comes after P? Q. Capital Q and small q. Capital Q and small q. Q says K. Q says K. What comes after Q? R. Capital R and small r. Capital R and small r. R says R. R says R. What comes after R? S. Capital S and small s. Capital S and small s. Capital S and small s. S says S. S says S. What comes after S? T. Capital T and small t. Capital T and small t. T says T. What comes after T? Capital U and small u. U says A. U says A. What comes after U? V. Capital V and small v. V says V. V says V. What comes after V? W. Capital W and small w. Capital W and small w. W give the sound of V. W give the sound of V. Okay class, do recognize letters from A to W and also do practice on your notebook. And send me your feedback. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.